guess you figured out this was about the Skyway Bridge already. I was holding off on this video trying to get some better footage than what I did. I got an Uber ride over to the St. Petersburg side of Tampa Bay one day, so I came back home down the Skyway Bridge, and I didn't have any microphone or those little dead cats or any of that stuff with me, so it's just raw footage, so you might want to turn it down. But anyway, I mostly have about horseback riding and kite boarding on here, but there's a lot of picnicking, and you can take some good long walks, and there are a lot of good views of the bay. There's just a lot of stuff you can do down here. They have rest areas on both ends, a fishing pier that used to be an old highway. It was the old highway that connected the two sides of Tampa Bay. And 1980, I think it was, there was a ship ran into that bridge, and it was old enough anyway, so they just decided to tear it down. But they tore down the center and left two big long fishing piers on each end. It was really cool what they did. So anyway, check out this kite boarding and horseback riding, and if you ever get a chance to go to the Skyway Bridge, go check it out because it's really cool. Let's see if we can get some locals congregating around the water hole. Several species of birds out there. Some of them flew away when I drove up, of course. This is right off of I-275 before the Skyway Bridge, which is over here. That's looking south. Now here's something I wanted to get a shot of. There are people out there on horseback. I see this all the time when I'm coming down this I-275. This is a pretty neat thing. You can see how shallow that water is. People go out there on those horses, and I'm going to say they're about up to the horse's belly. I don't know how much that brings that in, but that'd be something pretty cool to do if you're a horse person. sponge. Washed up on the shore. Big dollars at the store. I'm rhyming better than Jesse Jackson.